In the gospel reading on this fifth Sunday of Easter, Jesus says something that I think has often been misunderstood. It's near the end of today's reading. Jesus says to the disciples and to us as well, "If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask for whatever you want, and it will be done for you." The problem with this particular verse is that it sounds as though Jesus is saying that he's some sort of genie, that if we merely believe in Jesus, that we can ask for anything and we'll receive it. $1 million, live for 100 years, find true love. And unfortunately, there are some people who preach this message that if we only believe, if we accept Jesus, then we can ask for anything. We can ask for whatever we want and we'll receive it. Well, first of all, we know from our own experience that that simply isn't true. That we have asked for health for ourselves or for a loved one, and it didn't happen. That we've looked for a job, the job that we wanted, and we asked God for it, and it didn't happen. That we asked for greater financial security, and it didn't happen. That we asked for healing of a relationship, and it just doesn't come about. With that in mind, what's the meaning of this verse? What does Jesus mean when he says, "If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask for whatever you want and it will be done for you"? I believe it means that if we remain in Jesus and if his words remain in us, then we will receive what we need as long as we ask for those things that will build up the reign of God on earth. In other words, if we ask for things that will make God's love more visible on earth and therefore make God more present on earth, that will be done for us. And so that, I think, is the meaning of this phrase. Ask for whatever you want, and it will be done for you. Ask for whatever we want. That will help the reign of God become more visible in our world and in our lives.